When you enter the museum at the left side, you'll find this picture inside the counter. And as you move to the left, you'll see the statue of Saint Dominic, the founder of the Dominican order. And then spreading the word here, the Dominican missions in Pangasinan. Well, the Dominican came here in Pangasinan in 1587 with a mission in Binalatungan, now San Carlos City. And then later on in Calasiao, Mangaldan, San Jacinto, Manaoag, Lingayen, and Dagupan. And as you move to the left, you find here the instruments of the church, the vestments. A church on a hill. Christianity was introduced to Manaoag in 1600 by the Augustinians, who turned over the mission to the Dominicans in 1605. The order of preachers has taken care of the spiritual welfare of Manaoag since then, except the years of 1898 to 1901. And in 1926, the Dominicans were given the perpetual spiritual charge of Manaoag by decree of the Holy See. And this is the first